Hi everyone, welcome all and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I went about the cutting and sewing of this beautiful dress I am wearing right now. This has to be something you are interested in learning. However, if this is something you're interested in learning, then you have to keep on watching. And if you're still here to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell. So let's get started. And in two simple steps, I'll show you how I went about the cutting and sewing of this dress. Okay, so now we're going to be cutting this style and make sure you mark the wrong side of your fabric. And I'm using 2 yards of Ankara for this. You can use 2.5 depending on the length you want or the body measurement you're working with. Now you can go ahead to cut out this, but then I'm not going to be cutting it out. I'm just going to go ahead to fold it, and that's where I'm going to insert my elastic. Okay, so from the starting point line, I'm going to mark 2 inches downward this way, and I'm going to mark it across. Now, this is going to serve as the base where we're going to be inserting the elastic. Okay, so from this new line is where we're going to be taking our measurement from, and I'm using -5 because it's an off-shoulder dress. So you can use -6 depending on what you want. So from that -5, I'm going to go ahead to take my full length measurement, and the measurement I'm working with is 33 inches. I'm going to be adding 1 inch to it, which is going to make it 34 inches. Now I'm going to go ahead to mark it and extend it out with a straight line. After I'm done taking my full length measurements, basically I'll just go ahead to cut it out. And yeah, this is me checking to see if the remaining fabric will be enough for me to use as my sleeve. But then after measuring it, I noticed the length of sleeve I want is not going to be enough. So I'll end up cutting out another fabric for the sleeve. Okay, still placing my tape on that -5. I'm going to go ahead to measure down to my waistline, and my waistline is 16 inches. Now I'm going to be adding 1 inch, which is going to make it 17 inches. And if you're wondering, we don't need a waistline measurement for this, but this is me taking out the measurement for the pockets I'm going to be adding to this outfit. And 17 inches is where my pocket is going to be starting from. Okay. So moving forward, to get your measurement, to measure out your chest measurement, like your round chest measurement, you're going to measure whatever you have there and divide it by 4, mark it, and then add extra 4 or 5 inches sewing allowance to it, like ease allowance to it. So mine is 40 divided by 4 is 10, and I added extra 10 inches allowance for it. This is to give it room to have enough gathers. Okay, another method you can use is to use your shoulder measurement. If your shoulder measurement is 15, you're going to be minusing like just 1 inch from it. Then you're going to go ahead to mark it. This time around, you can still add it if you want, or you can just leave it like that. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so now let me explain it again. You need your round upper body measurement, like your round upper body measurement, and then you're going to go ahead to divide it by 4, mark, and add extra ease allowance so that to give you room to gather it, or you can use your shoulder measurement. For me, I used my round upper body measurement, marked it, and then I measured it. And from that point, that's where we're going to be cutting out our armhole. Now for the sleeve, you're also going to be going down by 2 inches, just like we did on the dress. Now from that 2 inches, you're going to determine the sleeve length you want. You can do short sleeve, you can do long sleeve, depending on what you want. But this is the length I am going for, including my hemming allowance. I added it here. Now to cut out the armhole, I'm going to be placing the sleeve on this part of the dress. I'm going to place it there, and then I'm going to go ahead to trace out my armhole. And mind you, the sleeve is also going to be starting from the same point where the main dress is also starting from. So this is me extending the 2 inches I marked earlier. Now I'm also marking my round chest measurement here just to have a base. Now from that 5 inches, that's like our off shoulder measurement. I'm going to go ahead to mark my armhole. Now I'm using 8.5. So I ended up just using 9 inches here just to give it room, like to have enough ease. You can use more if you want. Basically, after getting the length of your armhole, you just go ahead to curve it out this way. There's no much drama here. Just curve it out and you're good to go. Now I'll just go ahead to cut it out. So after I'm done cutting it out, I'll go ahead to open up the sleeve because it was unfold while we were cutting it. Okay, so by the time you join it, this is what it's going to look like. This is me just giving you like a preview of what the end result is going to be like. Now I'm also trimming out the excess we have by the side of this dress here. So now I'm going to go ahead to notch the 17 inches we came down with earlier. That's where our pocket is going to be starting from. So from that point, that's where I'm going to be measuring down my pockets. So after we're done cutting it, this is what we have. So by the time we're through, it's going to come together like this after we insert the elastic. So now for the pocket of this dress, it's folded into four. Now I'm going to be measuring 8.5 inches. That's what I'm using for the length. And for the width, I'm going to be using 7 inches, depending on how wide your hand is. Just take your hand measurement. Now I'm just going to go ahead to curve it out this way. You can create any curve of your choice, so long as your hand is going to fit in perfectly, you're good to go. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to be doing here is what I'm going to be doing on the other side of the pocket. So I'm going to be illustrating with just this side. Now I'll open it up this way. Now after I'm done opening it up, I'm going to go ahead to pick the pocket, one of the pockets, making sure the right sides are facing each other this way. Now I'll go ahead to use my hand pin to hold it down in place. Now the same thing I'm going to be doing on the other side, making sure right side are facing each other. Now make sure the pocket is starting from that point where you notched downward. Now hold it down with your needle, hand pin, anything. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to stitch it on both sides like so. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so after I'm done stitching it, this is the outcome. I went ahead to weave it on both sides of the dress. And now to finish this dress, I'm going to go ahead to use 1/2 inch to stitch it all around like so. It's a free dress, so you don't need any body measurement for it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on this other side. Watch closely to see how I am showing you how you're going to shape it. At the same time, I'm still going to be shaping the sleeve without using any measurements. Like I said earlier, it's a free dress, so we don't need like 1 inch or anything. Basically, I used 1/2 inch to stitch all of them. So after I'm done stitching it, the next thing we're going to go ahead to do is to attach the sleeve to this dress, and our dress is ready. So right side facing each other, I'm going to go ahead to stitch it this way, just the way I'm showing you on this video. Just in case you don't understand what I'm doing, just watch closely, you will understand. Now I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the other side of the sleeve. Now after I'm done stitching everything, I went ahead to weave it. If you don't have a weaving machine, it's fine, your dress can still go. Now I'm going to fold this side into two like so, and I'm going to stitch it and leave a opening where I'm going to be inserting my elastic. I'm also going to repeat the same thing on the sleeve side like so. Okay, so now to get the exact elastic you would need, you can just use the same measurement you have round and minus like 3 inches for it. Or basically, you just use the elastic and measure it around your body and to give you what you want. So basically, this is it after I'm done with everything. And that's all for the making of this dress. As you can see, it's looking nice and pretty here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this helpful, and I'll definitely be seeing you in my next tutorial. Bye.